Good morning guys. Good morning everybody. How's everyone doing? Today looks like we're going to have a good day. There is news tonight, but we're going to talk about that just now. But before we start, guys, how's everyone? How is everybody doing? I honestly think we're going to get a good trade today. Let's see if we can continue the win streak. I think we will continue it, guys. I do think we're going to continue it. We're going to get into a breakdown shortly, guys, in a few minutes. Let's hope we don't miss the entry that I'm looking at. But I think we should be okay. I think we should be alright. This is the daily show. This is the winning team. This is the winning team, as you all know. The win streak has been crazy. It's been insane. We've been running 8 trades, back-to-back wins. Let's see what we can get today, guys. Let's see what we can get today. Hi, Daddy. How's everyone? Guys, if you have not already, drop a like on the stream. Drop a like. If you're sitting in chat right now, drop a like if you've not already. Let's start the like count. We need to beat 60 this stream. So this is going to be a special stream as well. We are going to run a little bit longer than than usual. Music too loud, hard to hear you. I think that should be alright. Just let me know if you can hear me now. So who do we have in the chat? We've got Sam, we've got Dan, we've got K-Dog, we've got Cambam, we've got Aussie Trader, Sarvesh, Symphy, MJMM. Oh, everybody's here. The team's coming in slowly. We're going to do a breakdown in a few minutes, guys. We will do breakdown in the next couple minutes. I think we are right now. Chart's not going to be running away just yet. Good morning, Marcelo. What's your guys' bias for today? What is your bias? Are you seeing longs or are you seeing shorts? I'm very curious what everybody's seeing. There is news later on, guys, so let's see if we can maybe, not get stuck in some chop. But we should be alright, I think. We should be okay. I do see a move potentially setting up, so depending on, if the market's going to, not have so much volume today because of the news coming later, we're going to see. But yeah. Sarvesh is saying shorts. Alright. Who else is thinking shorts? Sam shorts as well. Alright, you guys might be on the right track here, I won't lie. We might all be on the same track, which is a very good thing. The fact that we're all seeing shorts. Alex, what's up, brother? How are you, man? How are you? The fact that, I'm also seeing shorts. So with seeing, we could be in for a good trade, guys. If we all are seeing the short side of things, this could set us up for something. Let's see. If you have not already, guys, drop a like on the stream. Drop a like on the video. Show me some love. The real deal, top of the morning from Louisiana. Good morning, brother. Good morning. Yeah, we're going to let it rip hard today, guys. Honestly, I've got a feeling NQ is going to absolutely dump today. I think we're going to be dropping well 200 point plus. Like, I think we're going to have a big sell-off today, guys. I think it's coming. I think it's coming. I don't know if we're going to catch the full dump. Obviously not. If we do go short, we're just going to catch a piece of the pie. But I'm talking maybe, you know, later on, New York, post New York session, going into the news later, could cause a dump on NQ. But I do see the sell-off continuing, which I think we're going to capitalize on. Let's capitalize on the sell, on the short side of things. But yeah, a few more minutes, guys, and we're gonna hit off the. We're gonna start breakdown. We're gonna hit the breakdown. Thank you for all you do. You're welcome, brother. I hope I do enough to help you guys. You know, I hope the information I keep dropping is valuable to you, even if it just helps one of you. I mean, that's the whole reason I'm doing this. You know, it doesn't have to help every single one of you, but if it's just one of you guys, that's enough. You know, so. It's my highlight of the morning coming on stream with you guys. It really is my highlight. I loved coming onto stream. It makes trading so much fun and enjoyable. All right. So breakdown shortly, guys. And then maybe I'll drop another gem later. I dropped a gem yesterday, the inside bar. Did any of you go back test it? Go have a look. But let's see today. Maybe I might drop another gem for you guys. Let's see. The real deal. I made $3,000 on LSTR. What's LSTR, bro? Wayne, good morning, brother. Good morning. Oh, you made $3,000 yesterday. All right, fair enough. Nice, bro. Super nice, brother. Sarvesh, I'm shaved up, bro. I've shaved up. I watched the stream yesterday. Well, as I was editing a clip from the stream, I was looking at my face, and none of you told me, Cam, you look like a bear, bro. Like, I was so hairy, like, and none of you said nothing. Like, I won't lie. That touched me a bit, guys. If you see something on my face, just tell me. Like, if I'm too hairy, I shaved. I was growing the French moustache out, but nah. We're shaving it up for you guys. Guys, okay, let's do a quick little breakdown, guys. Okay, breakdown. I'm starting in a few seconds, so pay attention so we can all be on the same page. Yo, guys, we have 40 people watching. If you've not already, drop a like, man. Drop a like for me, please. 40 people on stream right now already. That's amazing, honestly. I love you all so much. I'll kiss you all right now, if I could. But all right, so guys, let's get to business. I'm going straight to the daily time frame, and I've got a feeling I don't want to miss entry because I can see something setting up. Okay, let's quickly jump to it. Let's get to the point, and I'm going to do a quick little scan across this. Let's do a quick little scan. Okay, guys. The reason I'm seeing shorts today on NQ is purely because the daily candle has opened and we created a top wick. Okay, as we spoke about, as a candle opens, we've created the top wick. The minute this daily candle starts to turn red, I can see the sell-off all the way into yesterday's low, maybe lower. Okay, I can see the sell-off coming all the way potentially into all the way into yesterday's low. Maybe lower, the 27,000. That's where I'm seeing NQ drop into, guys. 27,000, right? Which is into yesterday's low and a little bit lower, potentially into the daily EMA. So this could be a big sell-off on today's candle. I'm feeling confident about it, right? I did catch a little bit of a short this morning during London. Nothing crazy on my other prop account, but I really wanted to catch a nice sell-off today. I wanted to catch the flip of this daily candle. Yesterday's candle was extremely bearish. We had a big seller and that candle closed. Big fat red candle. So with that big fat red candle, I want today's candle to go red as well. All right, 4 hourly. Okay, on the 4 hourly, notice how, guys, we came back into the EMA and now we're getting back below. We're getting back below that EMA, which is perfect. That's our A plus, isn't it? The fact we are getting back below EMA to continue lower, that is our A plus setup coming into play on the high time frame, which is cool. So now I know the daily and the 4 hourly are in sync right now. Okay, the hourly time frame, guys, this is where we're going to mark off our levels. So I see a level over here. This is first target, guys. We're going to target the 7050 area. The 2750 area is going to be our first target today, which is a big drop from where price is currently, because this is the hourly time frame. So we could have a nice drop. All right, I'm going to keep those levels on, and then my next level I'm going to put on for now is going to be sitting at the 7150 area. Okay, so these are going to be my 2 levels we're going to look to target. Okay, that's all I'm going to keep on, guys. I'm keeping it super clean, super simple. And now this is where we're going to look for entry. I did see this as an entry over here. Let's see, guys, what's the time? The new hourly is going to open up. So what we can potentially look at on the new hourly, we can wait for the new hourly to open, right? Create a top wick, and the minute that hourly turns bearish and breaks the previous hourly low, we can look to enter that short. And the 5 minute is closing back below that EMA as well, which is crucial for entry. I'm going to put a little bit of size on this as well today. I'm feeling confident. I'm going in 25 contracts. I'm going to put a little bit of size on this today for you guys. I thought it was the look, bro. You were looking bearish, but we didn't mind. Brother, Symphy. Nah, I'm not allowed to look. If I'm looking bearish, bro, you need to tell me to start looking bullish, bro. Blue Mango, what's up, brother Bay? How you doing, my man? Guys, 1 minute and the new hourly is good. I'm so tempted to. Let's see price pullback. I want to see price pull back into EMA, guys. I need to see price pull back into EMA before looking to take a short. I don't want to enter now and then we get pulled back into some drawdown. So let's try get a clean entry on this. For the new people on chat, drop a like before we start taking these trades. Drop a like in the chat, in the stream. So I was originally looking to short from here, guys. The fact that when this candle came into EMA and closed bearish, I was looking to take the break of that. So we did miss that entry, but it's cool. It's cool. Let's see if we can get another entry. Let's see if we can get another entry. I'm pretty sure we will get another one. I'm not too worried. But now price is selling off, man. Where was that daily open? Where's today's daily open? Let's go mark today's daily open, guys. Yo, the daily's about to flip as well. Damn, guys, check the daily candle. We're about to flip, man. We are about to flip on the daily, which is going to be ideal to short the market. Oh, it's looking nice, huh? It is looking juicy. We are looking juicy. Let's see what we're gonna get. Let's see. Just have to be very patient, man. We need to be super patient. We need to be very patient today, guys. I'm not gonna take a trade until I'm feeling like, damn, this shit gonna drop, bro. Nasdaq gonna drop, bro. Then I'm getting in this trade, bro. And then later downstream, guys, I'm going to drop another gem. I will be dropping another gem for you guys. dropping gem after gem after gem. Nifa, good morning, girl. Guys, what other female traders are in the chat? I know Nifa is a female. She's killing it right now. She's learning, coming on stream every day. Really putting in the work. Currently trading paper account, as far as I know, I remember. But she's killing it, guys. She is killing it. I just hit the thumbs up button. Thank you so much. Tell everybody else, if you have not hit the thumbs up button, guys, hit that, smash that button right now. Just hit that button right now, please. We need to beat 60. If we beat the record, guys, if we beat 60 likes on the stream, I swear to you, I'll be giving away an account tomorrow. I'm going to give away an account tomorrow, so a Thunderpro Futures account. But you need, we need to beat 60 views. I mean 60 likes, sorry. We need to beat 60 likes on the stream, and I'll be giving an account away tomorrow, so you better smash the button right now if you want an account. There we go, guys. We pull back into the EMA, right? We're pulling into the EMA right now. We're pulling into EMA. So let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get, guys. The minute we start closing back below, we can start looking to take sells. I need to see. The only thing, guys, I am aware of, and like I'm just a bit skeptical, is that if I look to the left, we've been sitting in a range, right? We have been a bit rangy the last hour. So I am very bit, you know, but yeah, we shouldn't have. I'm not afraid of ranges. Like if I see the setup, I'm taking it, and we're gonna trade right out that range one time. Okay, price is now really, see price pull back into EMA. Okay, so let's see. And price is slowly rejecting it now. What's the time? And guys, so let's see, guys, the next candle. Yeah, this candle, the current 5 minutes, this candle is closing in 1 minute, okay? The new 5 minutes about to open. What's the hourly doing? The hourly is creating a top wick. So let's see if this hourly wants to flip to go red. Or the 15. All right. Can we get a win straight off the bat? Even if, guys, like, I'm gonna see if I can carry on this win streak right now. But even if not, which is actually, we're gonna win, actually. What am I saying? We're gonna win. We're gonna win. 8 wins in a row, guys. 8 wins in a row. I really want to hit 10, because once you hit 10 wins in a row, it's just facts, you're gonna hit 20. You need to get past the 10 win streak. Once you pass 10, you just don't stop winning after that. Like, it is facts though. I promise you. You'll see. You'll see. Someone actually messaged me yesterday privately on Instagram, and they're like, Cam, just a quick question, how do you win so much? And I said to them, I just keep it simple. I'm just keeping trading super simple. I'm just following direction, and I'm following the wiggly worm, bro. We all know the wiggly worm is the golden cheat code of trading. So all right, I'm watching very carefully, guys, at this. I am watching carefully. I'm trying to decide, do I wait for this 5 minutes to close first, or do I enter if we start flipping on the high time frame? I'm gonna watch carefully. If we start breaking the low of the current 5 minute candle, I will look to enter short. If we break the low of the current 5 minute candle, I'll enter short, guys. If we break the low. Why? We have come up into the EMA, and now we're showing really good rejection off of it again. As long as we can stay below it, I'm gonna short this. I'm looking for the hourly candle to flip as well. The hourly candle currently opened, created a top wick. So that hourly candle needs to flip and turn bearish, and then we can look to sell off and get in with this trend. Okay, guys.
Order filled.
I'm in. I've taken a short. All right, so guys, I've taken a sell on NQ. Let's see if we can continue the win streak. Stop loss. Stop loss, I'm putting at the 245 area. Not too high. I want to keep it just above EMA, and the reason I don't want it too high is because we are in a bit of a range. Like, I don't want to risk too much right now. It is also news later. So let's just trust the analysis. Let's trust the trade. We know the drill. We enter and we win. But I'm following the setup, right? I was patient to wait for what I said I wanted. Let's see, guys, if we can come all the way down into my key level from that EMA. I'm looking to make $3,000. Can we hit 3 grand? $3,000 trade. I rate we can do it. I rate we can do it for sure. But we need to continue the win streak. So far, so good. We are pushing. We're up already $200. So looking good. It's looking good. As I keep saying to you guys, keep it simple. Have your targets. Understand the direction where price is trying to go on the day. And just use the wiggly worm, the EMA, and you sorted. You're going to make a lot of money, bro. You're going to make so much money. So much money. Let's go. Good morning. I just heard the thumbs up. Yep, day 8. I switched to demo trading with my broker Tradeovate. It's different from taking paper trades with TradingView. Nice. Very, very nice. My bias is bearish, very bearish. I'm looking for the daily candle to flip and go red and turn it into solids. Wiggly worm is the best, man. Bro, the wiggly worm is the best strategy you'll ever in your life come across. 20 moms. What 20 moms what, bro? Umar, my TP level is at, on the futures chart, it is the 170s. I'm selling into the 170 area. Come on, bro. Just this thing needs to sell off now, bro. I don't know. It was going, and it's going to keep going still. What's the 15 saying? 15. I need us to get back below that 15 open as well. That's really, really crucial. Let's see if we can get back below that 15-minute open. Okay, guys, I'm going to take my stop a little bit higher. I'm going to put it up at the 7,250 area. I'll tell you why. I want to give it a little bit of room just above that EMA. Okay. So I've got $1,000 on the line right now. It's all right. And then, guys, the daily flip, as I was talking about, this is the daily flip I'm looking to take. So I want this daily candle, right, that we're currently in now, to flip bearish. We've opened, we've created the top wick. Let's see if we can flip and come down into yesterday's low. I'm first going to come down into yesterday's close, as we can see over here, which is my target. So I'm trading into yesterday's close. But guys, this thing could if we do sell off into yesterday's close and we get below it, we can easily drop into yesterday's low, which would be like a $10,000 trade, but I don't want to hold it for that long. So $3,000 for me for the day is perfect. I'll be so happy with that. I will be so happy with that. Take profit when you see profit. And I keep telling you guys, take your money when you see your money, brother. Take it off the table, bro. You don't need to hold for the $10,000 trades. Trust me, I've done that before, and it always ends up going super bad. So if you want to stay profitable and you want to make good money consistently trading, take your money when you start seeing the money. You know, don't try swing these trades for so long, because what's going to happen is price is going to reverse on you at some point, like it always does, and you're going to get taken out at a break even or whatever, and it's going to hurt you more than you, and you're going to say to yourself, oh, I should have hit stop loss. Let's see if we can get it, guys. Let's see if we can get it. What's the time? The new 15-minute candle's also opening up. I won't lie, guys. I don't know what NQ's doing. I don't know why it's done that. But this is because it's in a range. I have taken this trade, and I am aware that we are trading in a current range. So it is a little bit risky, you know. But the fact that I'm taking this trade is because I'm feeling very strong about the bearish bias that I have. So let's see if we can get the continuation push lower. Let's see if we can get it, guys. Let's see. I'm sure we'll get it. I'm sure we'll get it. I'm not too phased. Okay, I'm reading your guy. My partner says Wiggly Worm. Should have waited a bit to climb up before we went short. No, bro. The reason why I didn't want to wait a bit is because originally my entry was supposed to be over here. Okay, in this area. If price does want to pull back up more, and let's just say it stops me out, that's fine. I'm not going to let that, I'm not going to be like, oh, I should have, I could have, like, because I did follow my rules. I waited for price to pull back into my EMA, show rejection, and then I took the previous 5-minute candle flip. So, yeah. One thing, guys, I'm not a fan of right now is that the previous candle that is an inside bar. We have made an inside bar on the previous 5-minute candle, and I really, really don't like that, if I'm going to be completely honest. Now, if I do take a loss, that's cool. I will then wait for another setup and see if I get given an A+ setup. But right now, yeah. Let's see, guys. I'm not the biggest fan of what's going on right now. But it's trading, man. I can't win every single trade. I mean, I have been winning every single trade. Okay, yeah, guys, this ain't looking good, I won't lie. This ain't looking good, brother. Come on, NQ. Just drop. Just drop, bro. Trading, guys. Is the win streak gonna break? Are we gonna break the win streak? Oh, la. I just might have been wrong, huh? I might have just not had the greatest entry. Price just went against you. And guys, at the end of the day, like, I'm not upset if I lose this trade. The reason being is because I did follow the rules. I did follow my entry plan system. So yeah, it looks like, guys, I might get stopped on this. I won't lie. I might get stopped on this. If this reverses on me right now, that would be crazy. But I might get stopped, guys. It ain't looking too good. It's because we're in a range, though. But it does not mean I won't be open to looking for another trade. I do give myself 2 to 3 trades maximum per session I trade, just as long as my risk has been managed. So yeah, this trade has $1,000 on the line. So if I do take another trade, I will risk half. So if I do take another trade, if I lose this one, I'll risk 500. I will risk 500. But we're not going to lose this trade, guys. We're not going to lose this trade. Now, this 5-minute that's currently open, we just need to close back below that EMA. It's trying. The seller's trying to get back in. We are trying to get back in. Yo, guys, I just might have got completely... I just got so Jewed by NQ right now, bro. NQ just Jewed me. Oh la shit, bro. Guys, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. That's the win streak broken. It's cool. Put a head back in the game. All right. It's okay. There's the loss. It's all right, guys. It's trading. We've had 8 wins. NQ just completely Jewed me right now. It's all right. I'm coming back. I'm gonna come back hot. I'm gonna come back. All right, we're coming back. So it's not the end. It's not the end, guys. Do you know in the movie Wolf of Wall Street when he's about to quit and then he says something along the lines like, it ain't over. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna sit back a little bit. that is the first loss in the last 8 days, guys. So it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Like I mentioned yesterday, strategy, every strategy, there is a percentage that it will lose. So there's my loss. Now, the reason why we took that loss is because, guys, look at this 5-minute candle. It's an inside bar. As I mentioned yesterday, we broke the high of the inside bar and our price is pushing higher. I won't even lie, like, let's see. I'm gonna wait. I don't want to buy, guys. I'll be honest. It's too, for me to buy right now is just no. I'm gonna let's wait about 10 minutes. In the next couple 5-minute candles, let's see what price action is doing. But it ain't over, guys. It ain't it ain't over. It ain't over. When I swing, I get burned. I don't have consistency holding. Yeah, brother. The minute people start swinging trades, yeah, it is. You'll win more if you trust me. If you take trades and you just hit 1-to-1 risk to rewards, you'll become so profitable very quickly. The minute you start going for 1-to-3s, 1-to-4s, you'll still be profitable, but like you will lose more. You know, that's just facts, bro, and it's from my experience. Oh, Joel's in the chat. What's up, my Bali brother bear? Cam Bam, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot, bro. NQ ain't dropping, bro. NQ just shot to the bloody Pluto, bro. I don't know what this guy's currently doing, bro, but he ain't dropping hot, bro. Stopped out, wiggled out by NQ, bro. This wiggly worm went back into its goddamn hole, bro. This wiggly worm ain't wiggling too much right now, brother. But we can't win it every day, can we? No worry, all good, loads of opportunities. Yeah, always an opportunity, bro. There's always an opportunity in trading. Always an opportunity. David Gang, 1 of 11. Brother, I swear to God, this is the first loss I've taken in almost 2 weeks, you know, so it's like, it is bound to happen at some point. Like, I knew it was coming. I knew it was going to come I knew it was going to come very soon. And even coming in today, I was like, oh, there's news later. It's going to be interesting, so it's all right. Gosh, anyway, just waiting for the trading nugget for today. Cements is looking for the trading nugget. Now you have to wait for that trading nugget, brother bear. You have to wait a little bit more, bro. But it'll come. It'll come. But should it pop some more, we can look into shorting. Yeah, I don't know right now, brother. I need to wait. I do still have a bearish bias, but this thing could just start buying. Like, you know, like we could buy into the highs of London or something like that. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Just have to be very patient right now. We are doing chop suey right now, guys. We are looking like a bit of a barcode, so not the biggest fan of that. From 4 hour, I'm really buy side, still holding. Let's see now. Brother, you're still holding this trade, bro, that we just took. That's crazy. You in heavy drawdown though. Brave boy, bro. Sarvesh, 8 wins, 1 loss. There you go, dude. You know it. You know it, bro. Cam Bam, it's a funded account. Guys, I'm going to say it again. You keep asking every day. I'm trading a funded account. I am trading a funded account with Funded Pro Futures. And if you guys want to trade Funded Pro Futures, serious stuff now, let's just get to business. Guys, just click the link. I've pinned it on the chat. Sign up. I swear to you right now, you will not look back at trading. You won't. Trust me, Funded Pro Futures has uncapped payouts, guys. Uncapped payouts. And this is not a promotional ad, nothing like that. I'm just telling you straight facts. I've been so real with you all. I've been so raw. I've been so honest and transparent about everything. I will not tell you to look into a prop firm if I believed that it was shit. So I've been trading Funded Pro Futures for well over a year now. It's been quite some time. Guys, so let's just look at what's happening on NQ quickly. Notice how we had this 5-minute closure back inside that EMA, right? And now I'm looking at this, I'm like, damn, Cam. Look how we've closed back inside of EMA, and then as price broke the high, now it's really freaking taking off in it, bro. It's alright, it's alright. But that was an A+ setup to take a buy, but my bias wasn't bullish, so this is a part about trading that you really need to keep it calm, and you need to say to yourself, it's okay. Cam, I was wrong. Like, it's cool, it's trading, bro. Yeah, Funded Pro Futures, bro, paid me in 1 hour last week. 1 hour. Someone buy me an account, it's month end, I want to use it, no activation code. What's your affiliate code to use when I buy Funded Pro Futures challenge? Guys, it's on the screen. If you want an affiliate, if you want a discount code, if you buy a futures account, look at the top of the screen. You'll see it's moving across. Just use code. It's up there. It's 5 AM Club. That is the code, and you'll get a discount on your futures account. Regards to no activation fee, guys, there's no activation fee right now. And to be honest, you don't need an activation fee. Like, there's uncapped payouts. You can make so much money off your funded account that if you're gonna buy a 50K account, guys, for like $200 all in, you can take an uncapped payout out of that. Like, you can, the ratio of what you put into what you get out is crazy. And they pay you, they don't deny future payouts, bro, unless you're doing hedging or some fishy stuff, but you're not gonna have a denied payout anyway, so. Yo, I'm gonna sneeze, guys. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go to the high time frame quickly. Let's see what's happening here, just so we can kind of. All right. Okay. So, jeez, to be honest, I did not expect that. I really thought we were gonna sell off. Okay, we're coming back up into this key level over here. So, unfortunately, guys, if we are going to look to take a short again, for example, I need to see price come up into the 7,300. I can see price coming into 7,300 right now. If we can break and close above it, we can continue the longs, and then I'll need to just switch my buys, and that's cool. You need to adjust. I can't stick to having a bearish bias while price is rallying bullish. Like, I need to be open to changing my bias if I'm seeing price actually now moving and changing direction. All right, so let's go back to that 5 minute. And yeah, I'm gonna go in. If I do enter another trade, I will use less sizing for sure. But that's what I do, guys. If you take one loss, for example, like I took $1,000, you can see. You need to, if you do decide to take another trade, you only take another trade if you're confident and it's giving you and you're following your rules. You need to use less risk. You don't need to do what you want, but if I could give you some advice, go half risk on that next trade. Okay, you don't want to like increase your loss by so much more. If I had, because I could take another trade and I could lose again, right? I could lose again. I mean, it can happen. So, but no, we're not going to lose again. We're going to start the winning streak again. We're going to start that winning streak again. Jeez, that was a beautiful buy that's going up into 7,300. That was a lovely, lovely buy. Guys, I told you, if you are new to the stream and you're currently watching, you need to drop a like on this video if you want me to start dropping the gem. We need to get over 40 likes before I start dropping a gem. It's how it works. I'll give you love if you give me love. So the minute we get over 40 likes, I will drop another gem for you all. You know the vibes. You know the drill. You know the drill. I can't believe I broke the winning streak. Yeah, streak 2.0, bro. Streak 2.0, it's coming. Price action is very tricky though, currently, bro. Like, look how choppy it was, and I did not expect price to take the long. I didn't expect price to buy, I won't even lie. For all the new people watching, guys, I stream every single day, Monday to Friday, at the same time, every day. I come on for the Wiggly Worm sesh. I'm feeling fired up. I'm feeling so fired up to win the next trader. Let me tell you something about me, guys. Losing is part of trading, as we all know. But me as a person, just in life and in general, I'm very competitive. I hate losing. So right now I'm sitting in my chair and I'm like biting my tongue. I'm like, Cam, calm down, boy. It's okay. Just accept it. Accept it. It's just a trade, bro. It's just a trade, bro. But now this has fired me up to one win. So get back on the win streak. So now I know in order for me to get back on my win streak, I need to really wait for a perfect trade. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Is it because today's FOMC day? Exactly, Sam. Sam, it's FOMC later today, and I think this is why the market is acting up, for sure. I have a question on the inside bar. Do you enter on the break of the inside bar candle itself or the candle before it? You enter on the break of that inside bar candle. For example, over here, if you look on my screen, here's the inside bar. So you enter on that break, right? And then it will automatically push you up into profit. But in this scenario, I wouldn't enter that break because we are below that EMA. If that inside bar is sitting above the EMA and you have that break, there's a high probability you'll win that trade. So it's those type of setups I'll put a lot of risk on, for sure. Would I be interested in selling from the 318 level? Uh, 318 level, bro. That's a very specific level. Bro, I've got a feeling you're a liquidity sweep trader because that looks like a liquidity sweep to me. Absolutely not. I wouldn't short there. If we can break above that, I would need to see price get back below my EMA before I would even consider starting to short from there. But by that number you said, you seem to be looking at a liquidity sweep, and I don't trade liquidity sweeps like that, so. Brother, let me tell you, Cam Bam, there is always an ICT trader in the chat, bro. I'm not saying that guy's an ICT trader, but ICT, smart money concept, there's always those traders everywhere, bro. You can't escape them, dude. You can't escape these ICT traders, bro. Something I don't understand is when I have ICT traders on my stream. Like, what are you doing here? Clearly your ICT strategy doesn't work if you're going to be watching my streams. You know? Because I am like, my strategy is like super anti-ICT, my strat, bro. My strategy is like a bloody flippin' wiggly worm EMA. So yeah. Yeah, wiggly worm or nothing, bro. Wiggly worm or nothing, bro. I wonder if I can change the color of my wiggly worm. I'm getting bored. Let's see if we can change the color of my wiggly worm. Oh wait, we can change. Guys, what color must I make my wiggly worm? Well, a worm is pink, isn't it? So let's make it a pink, because a wiggly worm is pink, no? Sweet. Guys. Why is it not? Why is it not? That's weird. I'm trying to change my wiggly worm, guys, to be pink, because worms are pink, no? I don't even know why I've never done that. Why on earth am I trading? Oh, there you go. I don't understand. Why is it not saving? I don't get that. Yo, my color, it's not changing, bro. That's so weird. Why isn't he changing? Apply. Hello? Hello? One in the pink. You coming here with these sexual jokes, bro. I did click apply, Aussie trader. Look, I clicked apply, bro. Wait, sorry, wrong one. Watch. Okay. Apply. Doesn't do nothing. Yo! What happened? Oh well. Try to change it to another color, but I don't. Imagine it. Maybe it's going to apply another color. Maybe it doesn't want the pink, dude. That is very weird though, because I did change it the other day. Let's try. One. Yo, these glasses are so red that I need to take them off to see what I'm doing. Okay, guys, I give up. It's not working. Whatever. I saw, yes, it seems your interface is anti-pink. Yeah. Bro, you guys are trolling me. It's not pink, bro. These glasses, guys, are like if you're one of those traders that are looking at big screens for hours. I have a problem in my one eye, like it's a lazy eye, like the blue light like makes my eye like muscle very like lazy, and then my eye kind of looks a bit like closed. These glasses, guys, are life changers, bro. They are life changers. They really help the strain of the light on your eyes. Honestly, if you're a trader and you're really looking and you wanted to protect your eyes, get these. The only weird thing about them is that you need to get used to them, because in the beginning you put them on and it feels like you're just taking a whole bag of mushrooms, bro. Like you start tripping out. You start tripping out because it's so red. Make it thicker. Series. Oh, whoa, guys, look at that wiggly worm. And for the blind people, if you really can't see the worm, just go full margin the line width. What was it? Oh my god, now I can't change it back. Okay, there you go. So that works. But the color... Oh guys, it is pink! It's pink! Oh yes, you guys are so correct. Okay. So let's see. Okay guys, I'm literally tripping out with these glasses. Oh my word. Okay. We pink. We are pink. Okay, there you go. Thank you guys. Honestly, you're amazing. I thought I was tripping. I was thinking. Yeah guys, now it's a real wiggly worm. In America they call them night crawlers. A night crawler. I think that's correct, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then I don't know, in Europe we call them earthworms. I'm still watching NQ, guys. We are kind of stalling a bit in this area. We might get a pullback. So if we can pull back into EMA, guys, if we can get the pullback back into EMA and start closing above again, I will probably look to take a long just to get in with the trend right now. You know. Can I still see the green candles, bro? I wish I could show you guys what it looks like. Yes and no, I can see it, I guess. Not completely. Like, I can see it now, because in the beginning when you put them on, like, you can't see anything, bro. Like, it's weird. But then the first 10 minutes, your eyes adjust, and then you can see. In Birdland, we call them breakfast, bro. Oh my god, imagine eating one of those guys. In France, dude, these French people eat bloody snails, bro. Oh, trust me, I've tried a snail before. I could kotz, bro. I could vomit, bro. It's horrible. And then a few weeks ago, when I got engaged, I went to a really fancy restaurant. It was a Michelin restaurant with my fiance for the dinner of my engagement night. Bro, I ate snail eggs, dude. Like snail caviar. I don't even know if you guys have ever heard of that. It looks like little pearls, dude. It's horrible, bro. But hey, you have to try these things in life now. Yeah, fear factor menu, bro. Here in France, any French restaurant you go to, it's a fear factor menu, dude. You never know what the hell you're gonna get. They eat frog legs, bro. The French people eat frog legs. They eat snails. They eat something called foie gras, which is like the fat of a duck. Bro, it's weird. It's weird stuff, dude. Like, I don't even know, bro. No, the French people, bro, they eat anything that has a heartbeat and legs, bro. As long as it's moving, they eat it, bro. They eat rabbits, dude. They'll eat anything that's moving on the ground, dude. They don't care. They'll eat. Bro, don't you start spamming giveaway. I'm only doing a giveaway. I told you guys, I'll give away an account if we can beat the record of likes. So what's the like count now? 34. Yeah. We need to beat 60 likes, guys, on the stream in order to do a giveaway. That's the rule. That is the rule. Yeah, I'm from Cape Town, brother. I am from Cape Town, but I live in France. Guys, look how we've pulled back into EMA, right? So now let's see how price is going to react. If we can start closing back above, that'll be really nice. We can maybe then take the longs up into the 27,300. So let's be super patient. Let's be very patient, guys. Jane Bond says foie gras is delicious, bro. Oh. Yeah, dude. Foie gras is it's something else. I wouldn't say delicious, but snails are definitely worse. Put it that way. Like, and yeah, for sure. Yo, Joel tried crocodile in Thailand, dude. Yeah, man. I saw that video of you trying crocodile, bro. When I was in Bali, I went to La Brisa market. And there was shark, dude. I tried a piece of a shark, bro. It's the weirdest thing. Like a shark tastes like... It tastes like a fishy chicken, dude. Like a chicken that's got a fish taste, bro. It's weirder. They had scorpions too. Okay, we got some foie gras lovers over in the chat here, guys. There we go, guys. Prices dipped into EMA. Okay, let's focus on some trading quickly. Price has now pulled back into EMA. Okay, let's see what's the time. The new 5 minutes about to open, so we need to see the next 5 minute close back above. If the next 5 minute can close back above my EMA, we'll look for entry too long. We will look for entry too long. And yeah, frick. We missed that long entry, bro. Right here. We missed it, bro. Because why? I was shorting and I took a... Yeah, I took a very, very, very nasty loss, dude. But it's cool. The win streak is going to come back now. We're going to start the new win streak, guys. Almost 40 likes, chat. If we can get to 60, I'll do a giveaway tomorrow for you guys. I'll do a giveaway tomorrow. I'll give away future 1 or 2 future accounts for you guys, but we have to hit 60 likes on the stream, guys. We have to beat 60 because 60 is the record right now. So every time we can beat the like count, I'll do a giveaway. That actually should be the new thing we do, right? That's going to be the new activity. So the activity of the day is if we can beat the record like count, we'll do a giveaway for sure tomorrow, first thing. James Bond, dude, this is EMA 9, brother. Okay, guys, new 5 minutes opened up. Now, notice how we did close back inside of the EMA, right? I wouldn't. Yeah, guys, I would rather long at 9. I think I need to switch my bias to. No, I don't even know. I'm gonna sit out, guys. I don't want to force this. I don't want to force this. Forcing trades ain't gonna get you anywhere. Dan, how long does it take until I get funded per account? But it all depends on. This 200k I'm currently on, it took me a few days, like 4 days, 5 days. Guys, with funded accounts, some people, right, can't afford, to keep purchasing funded accounts, so they trade them more carefully, right? Me, I hate funded. I hate challenges, bro. That's why I call them eval jail, evaluation jail, bro. Like, I hate being stuck on an evaluation for longer than a week. It really, I feel like I'm trading for nothing. Like, I'm wasting my trades. Like, yeah. So for me, I usually put higher risk on my evaluations. I like to pass them in a few trades, and then when I get on the funded, then I manage my risk and I trade. The way trading should be done. I'm just like that. I've spent too much time on evaluations the last 4 years. Like, I'm just at a point now. I'm like, yeah, I put in size on them though. Yeah, frick, we have 60 people watching and we've only have 40 likes. So the other 20 people that are currently watching me, stealing my golden nuggets, waiting for my beautiful A+ setup that's about to happen now. Just drop a like, bro. Drop a like, bro. Bro, the way to enter the giveaway is you need to like the video. And you need to like the stream. But when I do a giveaway, which will be maybe tomorrow, if we can beat the like count, I won't tell you how I'll run it. But I'm not. I'm gonna make it very, very, very clear to all of you guys. I love you all so much, and the guys that have been on here from day one, I love you guys so much, and I love the guys that are on here learning. But I am not going to be a streamer that's going to be a giveaway streamer. I don't want to be that. If I do a giveaway, it's going to be out of my own heart as a thank you to you guys. My streams are about knowledge. I am teaching you and trading a strategy live in front of you guys that you've seen has a really high win rate and how simple it is. And I feel like what I give you is a lot more valuable than giving you a funded account. So like, yeah, I mean, if I don't be begging for them, don't be begging for them. They will come when you least expect them. I'm telling you right now. They will come when you least expect them. Okay, guys, let's look at the 30, sorry. 30 closed back above EMA, and the current 30 is pulling towards that EMA almost as if it's a retest, right? That's a 30. 15. It's looking interesting. It is looking interesting, guys. I won't even lie. I'm a bit, I'm gonna stay a bit neutral right now. When I see this type of thing happening, I get so tempted to short the break of this 5 minute. Because my bias was originally bearish. So it can get quite tempting. But nah, I can't. Okay, notice how this 5 minute closed back above the wiggly worm, guys. Let's see if we get in the volume to push back high. I'll jump in. I'm going to watch very carefully if we can get another entry. Firstly, I'm looking at the chat now. Ramen noodle, bro. Don't start begging, bro. I swear to God, I will restrict you from this chat. I'm telling you. Don't start begging for USD giveaway. Like, the minute you ask me for money, bro, I will block you, bro. I'm telling you from the chat. Oh, now you deleting it, bro. What instrument do I trade, bro? I trade NQ, as you can see on the thing. I trade NQ, brother bear. NQ, baby. Guys, so right now, two things. I'm so like, if I don't get a setup, another trade during our session together, maybe I should extend our stream into New York session. I can if I want. I can extend it into that New York session. Not sure just yet, because it is going to be a very long stream just for me, but you guys honestly, I think New York session might be a bit interesting. Like, we can watch it together and see, just because FOMC is later. I think New York session can be a little bit interesting. Harris, hi, bro. Hi, Harris. I woke up early just to catch a second glimpse of your stream. 3 a.m. here. Phoenix, you are an OG, bro. The fact you're waking up at 3 a.m. to watch my stream, bro, is insane. For the guys in America that are waking up early hours of the morning to jump on my stream, You guys have something in you. You guys, honestly, there's a demon in you, bro, that clearly wants to become profitable. Okay, now look, guys, we're creating a 5-minute inside bar. That price might break to the downside. You see, this is where things get tempting to short. It looks tempting. It is tempting, isn't it? Jeez, like, this is the part about trading that you need to sit on your hands. You need to sit on your hands and just like absolutely let the market come to you, sort of chasing it, isn't it? When I see these inside bars, I'm like, ooh, I want to trade it. I would love New York session, but didn't we decide yesterday that New York is trash? You're absolutely right. New York is the trashest session of all time. But just because I stream it does not mean I'm going to take a trade in it. And if I take a trade in it, bro, it needs to be an A+ setup on steroids. Like that A+ setup, it needs to have an A+ setup on the A+ setup in order to take a trade in New York session, or I will not touch it, bro, because New York session is the trashest session in the history of sessions, bro. But I mean, let's see, guys. Oh my god, guys, if this 5-minute candle can actually reject EMA and start pushing to break that inside bar high, I'm going to enter this long one time. And we're going to ride it all the way up into the 27,300s. Oh guys, 69 viewers. That's my favorite. Be careful what I'm going to say. That 69 is my lucky number for sure. Damn, guys, we're almost at 100 viewers, bro. I love all of you so much. That's insane. And we almost at 60 likes, guys. We're almost above that 60. We're almost going to beat the record, brother. Brother, bears, girls, and guys. Let's see if we're going to get this set up, man. Let's see if we're going to get this set up. Okay, so what's the time? The new hourly is going to open. So let's jump to the hourly quick and see what the hourly candle's doing. So this hourly candle is going to close bullish. We are going to close above that EMA. I won't lie, guys. We could very well take longs into the 7,300 area. We can take longs into there very easily, I think. I'm going to wait for the long, guys. I am not going to force a short. The shorts only might come in New York, or they only might come at FOMC if that daily candle is going to flip. I mean, that daily candle is struggling right now, guys. It's like, look at the daily, guys. The current daily candle is struggling to flip. We were so close, and now the buyers keep trying to get it higher. I do think it's going to flip at some point. So the minute we can run below the open, let me just make that a dotted line so we don't miss it. The minute we can run below that open, oh, where's it gone? I don't understand, bro. Oh, maybe that's why. Oh, now it's disappeared. Oh, whatever, seriously. Guys, the first 5-minute candle we can get closing back above EMA, the wiggly worms in action. The minute we close above EMA, that's when we can get into action and we can look to start entering another position. I'm liking it so far. I am liking it, guys. I am liking it. I'm liking the pullback. Just because we're selling off right now does not mean we're not going to buy. Like I told you guys, I like to see when price dips in below the EMA. The minute we get the candle closure back above, we can start to look to take the buy. Like it did here to the left. Notice how we were trading below it. We had the first 5-minute candle close above. And what happened? Price just rocketed to planet Pluto after. So maybe we can get the same thing. Let's see, but... Coming from the options world, I want to start trading futures. Any advice would be greatly appreciated. Queued up productions, bro. Honestly, futures is unbelievable to trade. Now, the reason I am saying it's unbelievable to trade is because there's no spread in futures. There's a little bit of commission, but like very minimal. I'm talking about like maybe $5 commission. You know, it's not a lot. And the thing is if you're a scalper, like we do, or intraday trader, futures is unbelievable, bro. I think CFD trading, for example, is great for swing traders. I think scalping on a CFD account is just not there. I think CFD trading is more for swing traders, but futures is for scalpers. Also, another thing about futures, guys, futures, like, you can copy trade accounts. Payouts on future firms are super fast. You can trade NQ, gold, YM, which is US30. Bro, futures is added. I promise you right now. Queued up productions, bro. Just test it out and see. You need to feel it yourself. It's hard to explain it if you don't feel it. You need to feel it. So if you want to feel that, you can actually click the link. I've pinned it on the chat, and you can sign up and you can have a little play around and you can see how things are and how it all works, etc. But I promise you right now, like, definitely test out. I know a lot of option traders that have moved to futures. I know a few guys that have traded options that have moved to futures. So, weren't I trading gold, bro? I don't trade gold ever. I never trade gold, bro. I hate gold. Gold is just not my thing. Do I copy trade? I do copy trade. I don't copy trade in Funder Pro Futures. The reason I don't copy trade in Funder Pro Futures is because I currently right now only have one account, which is this account. So I'm not copy trading. I copy trade in other firms. That is correct, I do. And the reason I'm also not copy trading is because on this Funder Pro Futures is when I started the whole stream with you guys, the whole goal was for me to come on and start from a starting balance and trade live in front of you guys. Oh, the guys, there's the 5 minute closing back. Let's see if this 5 minute can close back above. That'll be so good if it does. The reason why I started just this one account is because I'm wanting to show from day one to receiving payout, trading with a simple strategy, risk management, and how simple it is to receive a $5,000 payout. Like, and that's why I'm doing this. And everything I've been doing is so raw, it's so real. Like, I can't hide anything in front of you guys. You're seeing everything. From when I end the stream to when I start. From when I start to when I end. Like, you see everything. And you guys will see me request my payout. When I request my payout, I'm going to do it live on stream with you guys. And you will see me request it. You'll see how the requesting process works with Funder Pro Futures. And hopefully, you'll see it get paid into my crypto account in that same stream. So, yeah. No, you're welcome, brother. But definitely check them out. So, guys, this 5 minutes. Okay, the new hour, guys. The hourly candles also just opened up. The new hourly, which means that a lot of new candles have opened. So, the hourly has opened up. It's creating a top wick. The 30 is looking how. Okay, 30 minute is still above EMA. 15 minute is where at? 50 minute is still rejected, having a nice bounce of EMA. Guys, I might buy this, huh? Let's see. I might buy the next 5 minute candle. I might buy that 1 a.m. 1 a.m. What the hell am I talking about, Cameron, bro? I might buy the next candle. Let's see. But I can see longs from this level we're currently at, from the EMA all the way up into the 27,300 area. I can see this coming into play. Is this not a live account? Brother, it's a funded account. It's funded. Like, I can take payouts out of this if I wanted to right now. But I don't want to take a payout yet. Like, I want to grow my account to be quite... I want to grow to like maybe 7,000. And then I'll take a payout. 8,000, and then I'll take a $5,000 payout. because I need to leave a buffer in. Yeah. I love you so much, Sammy. Appreciate you, bro. Okay, there we go. How much time? Oh, let's hope this 5 minute doesn't take off without us, huh? Let's hope it stops. Let's hope it stops pushing. I don't want this 5 minute to take off without us, guys. I don't want this 5 minute to take off without us. I hope it gives us a chance to get in. We've got 2 minutes. This candle's got 2 minutes to stop. It's got 2 minutes to slow down. Slow down, guy. Slow down for us. Give us our winning streak back. We need to start winning streak. Let's see it, guys. Come on, come on, come on. So now, if I'm going to enter the long, as we all know the rules of the strategy of the wiggly worm, we've been playing beneath the EMA now. So now, if this candle closes above, which it should in like 1 minute, 2 minutes, we will enter the break of that high. David. So how prop firms work, bro, is this is a simulated account. So basically it's a demo. So the money that I'm trading with currently is not real money, but they will pay me real money out from this. So they basically turn this fake money into real money for me. That's how it works, if that makes sense. I don't even know how to explain a prop firm to someone. Guys, have you ever had to try explain what a prop firm is to someone that doesn't know what a prop firm is? It's impossible. I don't know how to explain it, bro. Basically, this is a simulated account, but at the same time, it's a funded account. So I can request money out of it. But right now, the money that you're seeing in this account is fake. But it's real at the same time, in the sense that I can actually withdraw the money out. Unless they move me to a live account. If they move me to a live account, then that money will be real money in the live account, which some prop firms do. Okay, there you go. 5 minutes closed. Let's see if this candle flips. Guys, if this current 5 minute candle flips, I'm on a long. I'm going to take a buy. Stay focused. Stay patient. David, go chat GPT it. Sorbet, bro. Sorbet is telling guys to chat GPT your information. Okay, you see why we need to wait for the candle to break above, because look how deeply we're pulling back. Come on, bro. Come on, flip and break that high. This is mirroring ES. Yeah, I don't look at ES, bro. Yo, guys, I might even look to short this, huh? Look how we're closing back below this EMA. Yo, I'm really going to pay attention now. I'm becoming slowly interested in what's happening. Price should not be selling off so much. If we were to buy, price shouldn't be selling right now like that. So if this closes below, I might have to go back to my original bearish buys. But it's still in a bit of a range, right? So I am a bit, I am very skeptical still. I am going to, you know, be quite careful what I'm doing. I think I'll sit on my hands with this one. Yeah, bro, absolutely. Do it, bro. There's nothing wrong. Guys, sit on your hands if you're a bit unsure. Like, I'm not going to take a trade if I'm a bit unsure. Like, I've already taken a loss, but let's wait. Just give it a little bit more time just to kind of, you know, fuel up a bit and see if it wants to choose a direction. Bear in mind, guys, if I take a trade, you don't need to take it, man. I am trade at your own risk. I am not giving financial advice whatsoever. So Frick thinks we're going to pull back to our original entry. Okay. This can really go both ways. I won't even lie, guys, this can go both ways. I can see this coming up to the 7300, but I can also see it coming down to London lows. This can go both ways. What's the time? The hourly is also flipped bearish. Oh no, it's not really, has it? It hasn't really actually. I'm lying. It's a little bit, but not much. The hourly is indecisive right now. The 15 is also moving sideways right now. The 5. Yeah, guys, let's just wait a little bit longer here. Let's wait a little bit longer. Let's wait a little bit longer. Okay, now we've closed back below EMA. Yo, this is wild, dude. Look how we now chopping around here. Now we're in a real consolidation. Look at the 1 minute, guys. 1 minute's looking tasty. EMA is flat, yeah, bro. K-Dog, the EMA is hella flat. Scared money don't make money, yeah? Scared money don't make money. I told you, if I can see a confirmation to take a buy or a short, I'm gonna take it. Like, I'm just yeah, see, this is, 15 is holding EMA. Huh? It is holding EMA really nicely. So just the fiber needs to give a really good entry. I need a good entry on the 5. Yeah, FOMC later, man. FOMC later. Party shirt trader, yo brother, you're right, man. It's been choppy, bro. It has been choppy. I broke the win streak. We are $1,000 down on the funded account, but it's cool. It's cool. Chop doesn't scare me too much. It's just like if I see the entry to jump in a scalp into a key level, I'll do it. Like facts. As long as Wiggly Worm is telling me so, like I'll do it. Rahman, did I enter the trade, bro? I don't think I entered the trade. I can't remember if I've entered the trade or not right now. But no, there's been no trade that's entered. Yo, Sam, we just had Sam tell us we've hit 62 likes. Wow, you guys are up. Let's see. I need to see proof in the pudding. Let's see the proof. Did we hit the 62 like mark? Is the question. It's the question, guys. We did. We hit, guys. We beat the record. So this means something. You know what that means. So you're gonna have to be on stream tomorrow. But I love you all so much. Flip, it's so cool. It's so nice to see so many of you as a community here together with me and just talk away, chat away, and just, you know, trade away, make money. Although today we lost money, but it's all right. It's all right. Aussie trader would be better not to trade today. Yeah, dude. Honestly, like I said, I'm not open to taking another trade, but at the same time, I'm a bit like, look at this price action compared to what we've had in the last week. It's not the same, is it? Yeah, that's the thing. Now, yeah, don't bite my tongue. Yeah, we need to see a very, very clear. All right, now you see this, guys. Fuck, it's 10. I'm gonna stay on the 15-minute, guys, huh?
Order filled.
Alright, guys, I've taken a long. Now, take this at your own risk. It is extremely risky. We are chopping. But the reason I've gone long is purely based off the fact that price on the 15 is holding EMA really well. And the current 15-minute candles flip bullish, and the 5 minutes are closing above EMA, and we're breaking 5-minute highs. So I am going to look to maybe I'm going to try long this into the 70-300. I could very well lose this trade. I'm aware I don't have a lot of risk on. I just got 500, but this will be my last trade for sure, like for today. So I'm either going to take an L, get a small paper cut, or we are going to win. So let's see. Whatever happens, happens, huh? But the Wiggly Worm strat don't disappoint. So let's see. He disappointed one time this morning. Let's see, huh? Let's see if we can get a W. And I have gone in with half risk compared to what I took on my first original entry. Yeah, it will be a little bit interesting to see how this plays out, I won't lie, but welcome to a thriller. This is like a thriller show right now. We don't know what the hell's going to happen here, but I do think I am following the entry criteria, so I'm not breaking my rules. I did wait patiently. I've waited through this chop for this type of entry, so let's see if we can get it, man. Let's see if we can get a win to start the new winning streak. Okay, I've added into my position. I've added into my position, guys, on this. Bro! No! No, bro!
Order filled.
Guys, that's me done. 1,700 down the hole, bro. I'm out. That's me done trading for the day. It's cool. It's trading though, isn't it? The market is completely against us today, so what are we supposed to do in this type of situation? And the best thing to do in this situation is just walk away now, right? Now, psychology wise, right? Does this hurt me a little bit? Yeah, a little bit. I'm a human being, right? I've just taken 2 losses on stream after having a 8-day winning streak. But it's okay. I'm not upset. I'm not upset. Like, it's trading, guys. And we all know we're in the game of probability. The probabilities were against us today. It was against me today. Price is chopping around. There's been some traders in the chat that have decided to sit out. Well done. Well done to you. That's the way it should be done. Me personally, should I have sat out? Yeah, I should have, but at the same time, it's like I did follow I was prepared to put my risk on the table. I was prepared to lose 2 trades back to back. You know, now I'm not prepared anymore. So now I'm done. Now I'm not going to lose again. I mean, now I'm not going to lose again because I'm not going to trade again, but let's come back tomorrow and see what tomorrow brings. You know what I'm saying? So it's FOMC today. There's no need to keep risking accounts. Today has not been the greatest day in regards to price action. I think a lot of traders are getting chopped left, right, and center. Yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? Huh? Oh well, we move on. We moved on, and we took the probability, and it was against us. So, do you trade on Fridays? I do trade on Fridays, bro. I'm long now. If you. But it's cool. It is cool. You guys have seen the power of the wiggly worm strategy. You've seen how, like, we can't, stay on a winning streak forever. So it's all right. I'm still satisfied. Like, guys, this week alone, the last 5 trading days, just this Funded Pro Futures account, I'm up $2,600 in 5 days of trading. So that's amazing. That is amazing. Now, if guys that did take this trade and are still in this trade right now, yeah, you can still win. It does not mean, just because I got stopped out does not mean we're going to now sell off. I mean, I did have a very tight stop loss on this trade. So, but we're all together, man. If you guys are taking trades with me, we're in it together. I just don't want you to rely on my signals or my trades. It's all educational entertainment that I'm showing you guys. I don't have to show it to you, but I choose to because I know you guys love it. I know you guys love to see the raw, real transparency of what trading actually is. And this is trading, guys. This is trading for you. We aren't going to win them all. We aren't going to win them all. And some traders in the scenario that I'm currently in right now, they wouldn't want to accept the loss I've just taken, and they're going to go on tilt. So if you have traded with me right now and you have taken the losses with me, the best advice I can give you is to stop trading today and just walk away. You don't want to put yourself in another loss. Look how we're chopping. There's no, it's ridiculous. Now we're selling off again. Now, seriously, it's a joke. This price action is a complete joke. But it's cool. That's why we only risk what we can afford to lose. No, exactly, guy. It's what we I can afford to lose $2,000 today. These Funder Pro future accounts, guys, the 200k, I have a $6,000 drawdown, so I can easily lose $2,000. It's cool. It's not the end of the world. You know, I can make it back in one good trade tomorrow. I've been making over $1,000 a day with you guys on stream, so yeah, tomorrow I can easily come back and wait for a good setup. Do I journal? I don't anymore, bro. I'm not going to be one of those streamers that trade and lie to you like most of them do, and they tell you that they journal. It's a complete lie. I think some people do journal, some people don't. Journaling doesn't work for me, bro. Journaling just does not work for me. I don't know. I'll write stuff down and I will never look back at it again. I'm going to be so transparent. Like, I can go right down right now why I lost it. I know why I lost these trades. I lost these trades because it's FOMC later, price action's chopping around, and I should not really have, you know, forced a trade. But I took the risk knowing I'm going against that, so it's cool. It is cool. Yeah, some people love journaling. I mean, journaling, there's nothing wrong with journaling at all. It just doesn't work for me, you know. You're jumping off for the night. Good night, bro. Good night, man. Thanks for joining. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully you come back tomorrow. Hope you come back tomorrow. For the guys that have just joined, guys, drop a like on the stream, and if you do want to start trading futures with Funder Pro, you can actually click on the link I put in the description of the chat. Just click that link, sign up. Then you can start trading futures, Funder Pro, and then you can also use my code 5am Club if you guys want a cheeky discount as well. Funder Pro, I'm stumbling so much. Oh my god, Funder Pro futures is really nice though, guys. Honestly. So you journal to identify your emotional state and best strategies, narrow and focus. Yeah, that's great, bro. That's good, bro. If it works for you, it works for you. Definitely. Aussie trader, rough day, can't catch a break at the moment. Are you talking about trading, bro? Because if it's about trading, just stop trading, bro. Just stop trading today. You don't need to trade anymore, bro. You really don't need to trade anymore. Come back tomorrow's a new day. See you later, brother. I love you so much. Appreciate you joining, man. What's today's bias, bro? To be honest, my bias is to short still. I think I was looking to long up into. I tried to take a short this morning with you guys, and we got stopped out on the long. And then I try to take a long now up into the 7,300 area before shorting. I was thinking price, you know, we could sell it from there potentially, which can still very well happen. We could have one more leg up and then look to start selling off. But my bias today is bearish. I am looking for shorts today, and the reason I say this is because, guys, if you look at the daily candle, let's just look at the daily time frame again one last time. The daily time frame is screaming sells to me, and the reason I say this is because yesterday was a big bearish, was a big seller, right? Price just closed with a lot of sellers in that candle. Today we opened up and we've created a top wick. I will not be surprised, and we'll come back to this tomorrow. Let's see what today does during New York session at FOMC. But I think we are going to have a big sell-off today. I think we're going to have a really big sell-off today, right? So let's come back to what I said, and we'll come back to it tomorrow and we see if I was right or wrong. But I think that today's daily candle has opened up, created a top wick. We're going to flip and go bearish and take out yesterday's low. That's what I think is going to happen. It just obviously now is not the time to do it. Price is obviously stalling, waiting for high impact news, which is FOMC. New York session could chop as well, and New York session can just chop around crazy as well. Bite my tongue. My win rate is 86%. At first I was moving my stop loss and getting slammed. That's amazing, bro. An 86% win rate is unbelievable, bro. You're gonna become a billionaire soon, dude. You're gonna, yeah, bro. That's that's almost a 90% win rate. That's unbelievable, brother. Last week, I mean, so far, guys. Let's work that out. What's our win rate together on stream? So I'm going to chat GPT this right now, and I will work out our win rate together. Okay, so we've traded 6 sessions together, or 5. I have 8 wins and 2 losses. What's my win rate? Percentage. So our stream win rate percentage is 80% win rate, guys. We have an 80% win rate together on stream. That's amazing as well, huh? That's amazing. Stream, we have an 80% win rate. I didn't even realize that actually until I just googled it now. Which is very cool. I think to have a stream with an 80% win rate is very cool, guys. That's really high. My session can make a big buy move. A New York session can make a big buy move to trap and then sell it. Yeah, bro. New York session gonna be interesting. I think, guys, don't trade that session. I think that you guys cover. Tomorrow's a new day. See, price created an inside bar, guys. Price created an inside bar below the EMA. Now, I'm not gonna trade it. I am not taking a trade, as you can see. But this in this scenario, this is how I would execute an inside bar, right? I am not taking the trade. I'm going to say that again. I am not taking the trade. But this can be an inside bar. The minute, so that's how I would trade an inside bar. It probably won't work out because we are ranging. But we have an inside bar, which is this bar inside previous candle bar. And we are closing below EMA. So the break of that low over there would have been an entry to short. But I'm not taking it. I'm not taking the short. There's no ways in hell I'm taking another trade. I don't need to lose again, so. How to be? Yes, bro. We took 2 amazing trades on stream, bro. We took 2 amazing trades on stream. Those trades hit stop loss like in 1 minute, bro. Today's been an L day. Today has been a loss. The win streak has been broken. Reason being is we've just been getting stuck in chop. Price has been wicking left, right, and center. But it's cool. It's cool. It's trading. It's trading. I think that it takes a lot of skill to be able to walk away after taking 2 back-to-back losses, guys. If you can do that, walk away from 2 back-to-back losses, you know, and just accept it and be okay with it, you have something. That is honestly something that not a lot of traders have, and that will turn you profitable for sure. No, like honestly, like really. Now I'm just speaking facts. So like, I mean, yes, I took 2 losses today, but at the same time, it's a win. It's a win because I followed my edge. I didn't break any rules. I didn't revenge trade. I didn't FOMO trade. I just followed my plan on 2 occasions, and I took 2 losses, and now I'm done. I'm walking away, and that alone is a win for me. That is a big win for me. Because if I kept staying and if I kept trading, I would probably lose again, because now my emotions are going to start trading. If I trade again, my emotions will start trading. And this is the part that a lot of you guys are struggling with, is your emotions. Like, if you are going to continue trading right now, this is your complete emotions. Because looking at the chart right now, I don't even know why we would keep trading it. We've tried. We tried our luck. The probabilities were against us. So if you are going to keep trading, like, bro, you can do an online casino or something. Like, I would rather go play blackjack online, bro, than take another trade, because I know that the probabilities are going to be completely against me. Simply just sign up with my link. Bro, yeah, guys, there is a link in the bio of the stream, or I pinned it to the chat. You can actually click that link and you can start trading Funded Pro Futures. Now, for the guys that have never traded Funded Pro Futures, you're probably on other firms. Listen to me right now. Stop. Okay. How do I say this nicely? Guys, Funded Pro Futures, okay? And a lot of you ask, why am I trading them? I trade them because there is an uncapped payout. There's an uncapped payout. You can request $1 million if you can make that. There's no limit to how much you can withdraw out your account. All right? And you just need 5 winning days in order to take payouts with a 45% consistency. It's super simple. I'm eligible for a payout right now. I can request a payout today if I wanted to. But the reason I'm not requesting payout yet is because I want to grow my account back up before looking to take a payout. What's up, boss? Are you in the UK? No, I'm not, bro. I live in France. I live in France, brother. Yo, look at this, guys. We are doing some real chop suey type shit. Check this. Why? Look at that range there. Look at all this. Oh my god, price action's horrible, guys. See this? Yeah, I won't lie. This looks like the buy I was trying to catch up into this level, 7,300. Yeah, but it's cool. It's cool. Let price run away. I don't care. It's cool. Let it do its thing. It obviously doesn't want us on its side today. That's all right. What what time is it in France? Do you trade New York? I don't trade New York, bro. New York is is the worst session I think any trader can actually trade, bro. It's a horrible. I think New York session used to be good like a year, 2 years ago, bro. Like, it's not the same anymore, bro. New York session nowadays is horrible, bro. I don't trade New York session, and the time for me right now is currently 20 to 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. It's almost 2 p.m., bro, in the afternoon. Guys, tomorrow's going to be a really good stream, so don't miss it. I'm going to potentially be giving away some future accounts to you guys. Not confirmed, but you need to be there to find out. I will not be reminding anybody about it, so let's see. Maybe tomorrow. You guys have all been so amazing, and your support and your love has been unreal through every single minute of these streams for this last week. And honestly, I love you all so much. Like, we're creating a real family here, guys, of traders that we all are like-minded. The vibes in the chat are unbelievable. You guys are all so positive and funny, and I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to come back tomorrow again with you guys. We're not finished just yet, guys. We can hang out a little bit more. If I see something interesting, we can just talk about it. But if you have any questions, guys, just ask away now before stream gets ended. We still got another, 20 minutes together. So, you're welcome, brother. I'm glad you subscribed. Turn your notifications on, guys. If you have not turned your notifications on, turn your notifications on. Yeah, you won't miss the stream again tomorrow. Oh, yo, guys, I completely forgot to tell you. The gem of today, guys, that we still have a gem to drop. Phoenix, I appreciate you reminding me. Guys, I need to drop a gem for you guys today. A trading gem. So in the chat, if you want a trading gem right now, put a thumbs up in the chat and like the video. Let's see, we need to... Yo, guys, what is this price action? That is mad, bro. Look at that candle, that 5-minute candle. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Okay, guys, trading gem. Okay, let's drop a gem. Let's drop a trading gem. Now, 2 minutes, we'll drop a trading gem. Let's just exit the charts quick, okay? Let's just clean my chart up. I'm going to start fresh. So guys, what I'm going to tell you right now is my key leveling system and how I use it and why I use it. This is very accurate leveling system. And the person that I learned this from is a futures trader, and yeah, this is by far the most accurate leveling system in the entire universe of trading. And you'll understand why, because now you're going to understand why I mark levels and what it actually means to have a key level on a chart, okay? And why a key level. You guys have been watching me trade the EMA, and why I like the EMA, because it gets you in the trend, it gets you in the direction of where market's pushing. And I've showed you how I enter off of EMA the correct way, right? Now, with a key level, right? Let's put it this way, guys. Every time, right, a buyer comes into the market, what happens? Price pushes up. I mark off the exact price point where that buyer comes in the market. So when price comes back to that buyer, right? Okay. Price is either going to react and buy again, but if that price gets closed through that buyer, there's a higher probability that now we're going to sell off, because now sellers have beaten that buyer and now we're going to sell off. So what I mean by that, right? Let's find some clean examples for you guys quickly. It's everywhere, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this correctly, right? Actually, we don't even need to go so far. So let's go back. Okay, here we go. So let's just look at current price. Hold on. Oh, not current price. Let's just look back over. I need it to make sense to you guys, so just give me a moment. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's just use current price action. Okay. So, rule 1. You only mark your levels off on the hourly time frame. This is where you mark your key level off. You do not mark your key levels on any other time frame. It has to be done on the hourly time frame. Okay? I'm going to say it one last time. You need to mark your level off on the hourly time frame. Okay? The hourly time frame is where we mark off the open, right, of the candles that we're looking to now use as key levels. So this is the hourly time frame that you're seeing. So what I do is I will determine where a seller came in and where a buyer came in. And how I know this is that wherever price changes direction, that's where the buyer or that's where the seller comes in. For example, notice how, guys, if we're looking over here, we were rallying higher, we are rallying. Price changed direction to go short. Where? Over here. Okay? We mark off the open of the candle that changed direction. That's what I do. I mark off the open of the hourly candle that changed direction. So the candle that changed the buyers into sellers is the candle that I mark off. So what I do is I take my horizontal line. I will mark open. I'll mark the first red candle where direction was changed, which is over there. Okay. There. This is where the seller stepped in. So there's a seller sitting at price 7,300. There's a seller sitting at price 7,300. And that's why I was targeting that. Okay. Now, if price comes back up into 7,300, two things are going to happen. Either that seller is going to have full control and we're going to go back lower. Price is going to sell off again from that level. Or if we can close above it, that means that the buyer has beaten that seller and we are now going to push back higher into another level, which would be over here. Why over there? Because direction changed over there, right? This is where the buyers were taken out by the seller. Buyers stepped in, the seller then took it out and dropped. Okay, I'm not going to get into much detail about this. This is something I keep, which I don't keep it, but it takes a lot of information to really learn it. But right now, right, if I look over here, if you look in this area, this would be a level over here. Why? Because this is where a buyer stepped in and pushed price higher after the direction changed. Okay. And then what we can do as well in this scenario is let's go look back at examples of when you can use them to trade. So if you look over here, for example, price was rallying higher over here. This big red candle was where direction changed. So this is where a seller stepped in the market. So I would have that marked off. Okay. So when price came back up into it, we can see that that seller was valid and it was very strong. And what happened? Then when the price got back below that level, we then sold off because we know sitting at this level, there is a seller sitting there. This is my leveling system. So what I do is I match this up with my EMA. So if I go to a 5-minute chart, for example, let's go back to that level. So here we go. If I was looking to sell from this level, I would need to see price break back below my EMA in order to start taking shorts. So there's a few entries we could have taken here. You know, we have, and note, lookup price is really respecting this key level. It's not a coincidence, right? That price respects that key level, and it respects that key level really well because it is a seller's level. There's a seller sitting at that exact price point. So notice our price comes up into the level, we come back down, we close below EMA, and bang, that's your short entry at the break of that 5-minute candle, and price just absolutely melts down. That's my leveling system, guys, that I learned from my mentor a while ago. Yeah. That's the gem I'm dropping. I am not going to get into too much detail about it because there's a lot of information to it. But this is something that I'm busy putting together something for you guys, which I will release later down the line. I hope that helped. I really hope that helped and that makes sense to some of you guys. But basically my leveling system is where you mark, it's the exact price point where we mark buyers and where we mark sellers. That's how it works. I hope it, I wouldn't say it's the most perfect explanation, but I think a lot of people need to understand what a key level really is. I think a lot of people consider it as a support and resistance. It's really not. It's where we're marking of buyers and where we're marking of sellers. So if price comes into that seller, we can either determine if that seller is going to take action and start selling again, or if we're going to break through that seller and we're going to start buying. But it takes practice, guys. It does take some practice for sure. It takes some practice. It does take some practice. And you know what? Every day when we do analysis together, if you go back on all my other streams, you see me talking about, okay, guys, I'm marking off this key level, right? There's a reason I say that. And now you'll start understanding why I'm marking off that key level. So now when I say, okay, price is going to come into my key level, you're going to know why. Now price is selling off like whatever, we don't care. But yeah. So tomorrow, when on stream tomorrow, guys, when I do my breakdown before we take any trades, you'll see we're gonna mark off our key level together. And then the more I do it every day with you guys, it's gonna start. You'll start really understanding it more and more and more and more and more and more. Okay. Pair that with our key leveling system. Sorry, our EMA system. Yeah. But with that being said, guys, I love you all so much, and every single one of you, honestly, are absolutely amazing. You're amazing, and just for hanging out, talking, trading, whatever it may be. We're back again tomorrow, same time, guys. We are back again tomorrow, same time. And we're going to come on stream and we're going to absolutely kill it. Tomorrow should be a bit better. There's no FMC. So let's just see if we can get back on our win streak. I'm sure we will, guys. I'm sure we will. So with that being said, guys, I love you all so much. And take my advice or don't take my advice. But there's FOMC later. So with that being said, be very careful if you're going to trade or not. So I love you all so much. Thank you for joining the stream. And I will see you guys very shortly tomorrow. And we're going to win tomorrow, guys. We're going to win tomorrow. And we're going to drop more and more information for you guys. And yeah, just be transparent as hell. So with that being said, guys, I love you lots. And have a great evening, morning, day, whatever time it is at you. Cheers, guys.